Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an animation in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add an animation for. Go to Styles, and scroll down to the bottom, and from Miscellaneous, click on it, then go to Animations. And as you can see, there are many styles of animation. For example, fade. As you can see, the preview is instantaneous. You can also use a scale animation, a slide from the bottom to the top animation, also a clip. I want to see, or a flex. Let's check the clip animation. And this is the flex. You can also edit the animation speed from this tool. You can go from slow, medium to fast. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. I think fast is good. After selecting your animation style and your animation speed, click on this save button on this corner. Then exit this editing mode to go into the preview mode. Now this is your website live, and as you can see, I think the flex animation was added to my site. Let's preview it again. And this is how to add an animation in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.